Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll first confirm Windows 10 is updated and your microphone works. These are the essentials. Open Settings, go to Ease of Access, then select Closed Captions or Speech depending on build. Once in Accessibility, make sure Live Caption or Speech Recognition is enabled. This permits the system to process audio. Plug in or test your microphone in Sound Settings so Captions can capture local audio. Now that prerequisites and initial toggles are set, you're ready to configure live caption behavior. Now you'll dig into the middle steps. Find the live caption or speech page in Ease of Access. Select your microphone source and grant permission so Windows can transcribe audio in real time. Next, tweak presentation options. Change text size, color, and background opacity to improve readability in noisy environments. Make sure language settings match the audio for accuracy. If you use external apps, allow system-level captioning. Once changed, test with a short video or audio clip to verify timing and clarity. To finish, run a full test by playing a video and speaking near the mic so you see system captions appear. This confirms end-to-end operation. If captions don't show, restart the Windows audio service, check microphone permissions, or reinstall the audio driver. Also, make sure the caption language matches spoken language and position the mic close to the sound source for better accuracy. Troubleshooting tip: if transcription lags or errors persist, toggle live caption off and on, then reboot. Often that clears temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.